Pocketbook never seems to disappoint. They just released a brand new unit, 2022, called the Pocketbook ERA. This is a 7-inch e-ink Carta 1200 screen with 1680 by 1264 resolution with built-in speaker. The reason it has a speaker is because it has both audiobook support and TTS, which stands for text-to-speech. Additionally, time and time again, they continue to be one of the only manufacturers to give you a USB Type-C audio adapter inside the box. What a beautiful box. They have this outer sleeve, and the box has rounded corners. I have never seen that on a Pocketbook device in a decade. This is a very nicely laid out box. The cover art is beautifully designed. The side has all the necessary information and barcode, and on the back you get a plethora of languages, a ton of them in fact. And on the side you see we have a 16 gig stamp. They actually have a 16 gig and a 64 gig as to give you different model options. This box, I'm just going to say, almost looks like recycled paper. So it is boding well for them that they're going this eco route. You can see the little fibers in the side. Box opens up like so. Take the top tray off. On the inside, yes, this is definitely looking like some sort of recycled press board because you get this weird, inconsistent kind of cardboard-esque paper mache mix-up. It's very interesting. I've never seen this material being used before. That's very, very nice. And they are using this wax paper. As we stated in one of our most recent unboxings that Amazon did, they actually are not using plastic, but a lot of people outside of them in the industry are using this translucent wax paper, which is really nice. It's much easier on the world as paper and wax paper degrades significantly quicker than plastic. Plastic takes hundreds of years. This has been in pretty much every Pocketbook device as long as I can remember. It's your life without a cover and your life with a cover. You can see he's going skydiving without a parachute, and he falls down and destroys himself. So go ahead and hold on to all these. That's all the regulatory information. You have your warranty card right here. This is a very big book because it has a ton of different languages. It's very thick. And you have the quick start guide that tells you everything you're going to need to know about the unit. Here you also have the USB-C and that adapter we mentioned. Pocketbook seems to be the only guys that ever give you that, so that's really nice. They've also foregone the plastic by giving you a paper sleeve around the USB cable, and the inside of the tray as well is this recycled material. Put that off to the side and let's look at the ERA. It slides right out like that. Wow, very nice. Instantly to the touch, it feels great. The back has that very nice striped design that separates and spreads out the contact, which basically means it gives you more grip and leaves less scratches and less fingerprints. You have a very nice logo that's all nice and mirror finish on the bottom there, and you get this Oasis-esque ledger design where it's asymmetrical and the sides are cut at this 5 to maybe 10 degree angle to give it some stylistic properties. Very nice. And they're pulling the same kind of buttons from their ink pad line with the power, the right, left, or up or down respectively, and the home button. We also have a USB-C on the side, speaker on the left or the top, depending on which way you're holding this, and we have nothing on this side. Now this does look like it pops out because it has a little latch here. So let's see what's underneath here. So if we pull this open, very interesting. We have a little bit of regulatory stamps, and we have a 6-pin copper contact patch. Now this could be for many peripheral devices, cases, external kind of connectivity accessories. Right now we don't have anything on hand because they didn't send us any, and I didn't honestly know it was there. It just had a little latch here, and usually that's reserved for something underneath like an SD, SIM cards on Chinese devices, etc. So this does look like it has some sort of attachment capabilities, and you have this piece that just snaps on there. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Pocketbook ERA running a 1200 Carta HD screen. Stay tuned for the full review in the days to come. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.